backflips, lighting mattresses on fire, like, you're Robin Williams. Really? I'm gonna stop that. There's a lot of jokes I think we should stop making, and now that I have you all here, I think we should talk about it. For example, when you're in a store and you're trying to buy something, you get up to the cashier, you try and scan it, won't scan, so they don't know how much it is, doesn't scan. 10 times out of 10, a knucklehead in that situation will go, oh yeah? Must be free. You don't know how much it is? I'll wager a guess. Free? Is it free? Give that to me for free. Shut up! That joke is over. They hear it 1,000 times a day. It's not free. You're worthless. Be quiet. When I'm walking on the street and we see a group of my friends, we see a limousine, always one person in the group will go, oh, my ride is here. Be quiet. You're a dick. No one likes you. I want to hit you in the head with a frozen ham. An ambulance is your ride. You're a Huffy.